Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install PipeDrive for LinkedIn prospecting step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for PipeDrive's official website. On the homepage, locate the Get Started button and click it. You will be prompted to sign up or log in. If you're new to PipeDrive, choose the option to sign up. Fill in your details such as name, email, and password. Once you complete the registration, check your email for a confirmation link. Click the confirmation link to activate your PipeDrive account. After activation, return to the PipeDrive login page. Enter your credentials and log into your account. Next, you will be guided through the setup process. Choose the option for integrating LinkedIn with PipeDrive. Follow the prompts to connect your LinkedIn account. You may need to grant permissions for the integration. Ensure that you allow access to necessary data for full functionality. Once connected, return to PipeDrive's main dashboard. Explore the settings to customize your preferences. You can set up custom fields to track your LinkedIn prospects. Utilize the automation features to streamline your prospecting process. Familiarize yourself with the pipeline management tools available. Set reminders and tasks to stay organized while prospecting. Now, you're ready to begin using PipeDrive for LinkedIn prospecting. Start reaching out to your LinkedIn contacts effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.